नमस्कार, जय हिंद प्यारे बच्चों। स्वागत है मेरे मैथ मानिया चैनल में। तो आइए, आपका स्वागत है। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलिए। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, और चलिए जानते हैं कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर क्या होता है और इसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आपने पढ़ा होगा, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपने क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का नाम सुना होगा। आप x² + 1 के बारे में परिचित होंगे। x² + 1 = 0। दिस इज द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन and the solution of this equation is, if we finding the solution of this equation is, then answer is this is x² and this is -1 and this is plus minus under root -1. The square root of negative number is not real. It means the solution of this equation is not real. So this number, it means root -1 is not real. It means this is imaginary number. This is called imaginary number. क्या बोलते हैं? दिस इज इमेजिनरी नंबर। इट मीन्स द सॉल्यूशन इज ±i. द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन इज +i and -i. But here I is imaginary number. So our complex number is made of two numbers. It is the form of numbers like a plus ib, where a is called real and complex number is denoted by z. So real part of z, any real z, a is known as real z and ib is called imaginary of z, where a and b is real but this part is known as imaginary parts and this is called real parts. So my topic is complex number, and complex number is consist of the real number and imaginary numbers. It means a complex number is form of real parts and imaginary parts. It makes whole complex number and a complex number is denoted by capital Z. चलिए जानते हैं। तो इसको एक कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर is defined by real part and imaginary parts and it makes a complex number. It means z, it is denoted by z, a plus I into b, where I stands imaginary number. The value of I is under root -1. Square root of -1 is called imaginary numbers. And we can say, हम कह सकते हैं suppose that this is a number P and this axis is x-axis, x dash, y dash. This is origin. So x-axis is called real axis. It means real z. X-axis is known as real z, and this is called imaginary of z. So suppose that this part is small a and this is IB, and suppose that we joining the OP this distance is called modulus. OP mod z, and it is denoted by a square plus of b square. This is a square plus of b square. This is called modulus z. Modulus z is under root a square plus of, it means total, this is real part. If suppose that a point another is here, this is first quadrant and this is suppose that second quadrant, there is the point, this is minus a, this is IB, again this is modulus is under root a square plus of b square. This is Q. We can say OQ is also, this is Z1, mod of Z1 is also under root a square plus of b square. आई होप आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. चलिए जानते हैं. आगे जानते हैं कि कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को प्रॉपर्टीज़ क्या होती हैं. आगे चलेंगे और यहाँ पे हम लोग दिस एंगल इज नोन एज थीटा. दिस इज कॉल्ड arguments. This angle is known as arguments, and this is z modulus. Mod z is known as modulus. इसको modulus बोलते हैं. This is argument. Now you can find, I can erase it. And here I explain a rule I is under root minus 1. Minus 1. If we are squaring, this is I square is minus 1. Again squaring, I to the power 4 is 1. And again squaring I to the power 4 square. This is also 1 whole square, this is 1. It means I to the power 8 equal to also 1. Again squaring, this is also 1. I to the power 16 is 1. Again squaring, 32 1. It means I to the power 4m is 1. I to the power 4 power m, this is also 1. M is positive number. If we see here I to the power 5, what is the value of I to the power 5 is I to the power 4 into I. It means I to the power 4 is 1. 1 into I, it means I. So I to the power 5 is, this is I. Again I to the power 6, we can see I to the power 4 into I to the power 2. I to the power 4 is 1 into I square. I square is minus 1. 1 into minus 1 यानी कि minus 1. I to the power 6 is minus 1. You can find more and more problems like I to the power 100, I to the power 125, and I to the power 150. This is your homework. You can find and give the solution in comments. I am talking about equality of two complex number. What is equality? Equality means if two complex numbers are equal, equality of two complex number. What is equality? Let Z1 is a complex number a plus ib and Z2 is c plus id. If both complex numbers are equal, if Z1 and Z2 are equal, it is called equality of two complex number. We see here Z1 equal to Z2. If both complex numbers are equal, it means a plus ib equal to c plus id. We can say real of Z1 must be equal to real of Z2. This is rule. And imaginary of Z1 must be equal to imaginary of Z2. Here we can say A equals to C, and here we can say B equal to D. This is called equality of two complex numbers. You can find more and more problems related to equality of the two complex number. Now again we are discussing properties of the complex number. This is also property, but this is known as equality of two complex number. चलिए जानते हैं प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। पहली प्रॉपर्टी होता है एडिशन, एडिशन ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। सपोज दैट Z1 is any complex number a plus ib and Z2 is another complex number c plus id. Therefore, addition of complex number is denoted by Z1 plus Z2 equals to a plus ib plus c plus id. Now we are adding the complex number to real Z1 to real Z2. We can say a plus c, this is real part, and in I is common, b plus of d. Z1 plus Z2 is equals to a plus c plus I b plus d. This is another complex number. Here is the rule is, you have studied about the closure property. What is closure property? If sum of two complex number is complex number, this is called closure property. If we are adding sum of two complex number, Z1 is also complex number, Z2 is also complex number, it means sum of the two complex number is a complex number. So this property is known as closure property of addition. Is it clear? आगे चलते हैं। Subtraction, subtraction, it means Z1 minus Z2. Here Z1 is given, Z2 is given. It means Z1 minus Z2 is a minus c plus I b minus of b. Z1 minus Z2 is a minus c and I b minus of d. This is subtraction. This is the properties of complex number. तो we can say, यहाँ पे हम लोग और भी देख सकते हैं, we can say if we are adding, इसी प्रॉपर्टीज में ये भी देखते हैं, if Z2 plus Z1, what is the value? It means C plus of A, I, D plus of B. Both are same. Equation 1, this is equation 2. It means if Z1 plus Z2 must be equal to Z2 plus Z1. This is property. This property is called commutative properties. It means the complex number follow the commutative property. चलिए मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तो आगे डिस्कस करेंगे प्रॉपर्टीज़ के बारे में। जय हिंद, धन्यवाद।